Hey guys, do you want your car to be more JDM? Of course you do. That's why you get a Mugen shift knob, but not just any Mugen shift knob, a cheap Chinese knockoff for like 15 bucks. So this shift knob has supposedly real carbon fiber and a red accent stripe, but overall looks pretty good. Even the silver inlay lettering looks pretty decent. And I know it's a cheap Chinese knockoff because one, yeah, it costs 15 bucks. Nothing from Mugen costs 15 bucks. And also it came in this packaging that is beat up beyond all recognition almost. So yeah, with this you also get a few adapters depending on different threads, just in case if your car does take a different thread, but it is already set for the stock thread. Just the one thing that really puts me off of this is the threads are really chewed up. That was something I noticed on this one and a couple other reviews. But anyway, what I'm going to do for you is show you how to install this, and also I'm going to weigh this shift knob and the factory shift knob, see if it weighs anymore. So it's a cheap alternative to a weighted shift knob that you don't have to pay $60, $80, $100 for, which is insane. But if it is cool, if not, oh well. It matches my car real well, and I'll be happy with it regardless. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the stock shift knob and go from there. Alright guys, so here we are. First step taking off the shift knob is to undo the boot. There's 4 plastic clips in here that you need to push down. Preferably you can probably just get the 2 smaller ones that are opposite of each other. Just gotta stick a screwdriver down here while pushing down some downward pressure. And undo that one and this one. Do that one again. There you go. So now the boot's off. Then next, here's a shift collar. You should use a 14mm wrench. I don't have one, so I'm using a 9/16. That works just as well, or you can use an adjustable. We're going to turn the collar clockwise, and we're going to pull or turn the knob in the opposite direction to break it loose. Came off pretty easy. Alright, and there we are. So here's a whole collar right here. I would like to take this off. I don't think you can, but get a little less height off this piece that's going to be not there on the new one, so that will be kind of nice. But yeah, let's go weigh them and let's see if the new one's going to be heavier or not. Okay guys, so we're going to measure these shift knobs now with the scale that's not used for drugs of any kind, I think. So let's measure the stock one. Okay, so 4.8 ounces is the stock weight, or stock shift knob weight. Now let's go with the new one. Oh, 4.9. Yes, a whole ounce more. So technically it's a weighted shift knob. Not really, but let's call it. Alright, cool. So if you ever wondered the answer for this particular one, you got it. So there you go. So let's put this thing on now. Alright guys, so putting on the shift knob is almost as easy as taking it off. I did lie earlier though. You do need one of the adapters. You're going to need the bigger of the 2 that they give you. I thought it was fine for my car, but apparently not. So what I'm going to do is start putting the adapter into the knob. Trying to get it as flush as possible. Oof. Yeah, you can see how bad those threads are actually. Alright, but that'll work. So then just start throwing your new shift knob on there as far as it will go. Yep, and that's basically it. So you can see how it's not centered. So what we are going to have to do is collar's up almost to it, so we need to back this off, right? Then we're going to have to turn the collar until you get to a position where you like. With the shift knob, make sure it's center, and it's tighten the collar. Get it decently tight so it doesn't want to turn on you for whatever reason you want to twist it. I don't know why, but yeah, that's pretty snug. And look at that, it looks pretty good, along with all the other carbon fiber on the car. It's a little bit bigger. I actually like that. Doesn't shake around or anything, so yeah, it's good. And then pull up the boot, and there she is. Very nice. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope I was able to shed some light on that shift knob if you ever saw it on the internet or whatever. So if you like it, please give us a thumbs up. If you like it that much, share it, and let me know what you think about the shift knob, because I really like it, but I want to hear from you as well. Also, stay tuned for Couch Talk on our channel, which is where we talk about car news, cars in general, and yell at each other. So if you like that sort of thing, please be on the lookout for our channel, and until next time, see you later.